Here's 10 reasons why you need a Honda Civic. Reason number one, very, very cheap to buy. You can find these anywhere from $800 to about $2,000. That is on the lower end, but you can find some pretty good ones. I've even found them as low as $200. And I have a video on my page if you want to check that out. $200 Honda Civic. Now, they will need a little bit of work if you buy them for that low, but it's still worth it, and they usually do not need much. Now, reason number two, this is the perfect starter car. If anyone's just now looking to get into vehicles or they want a tuner car that they can mess with a little bit, this is it. And they're actually very easy to work on. I actually own a 1995 Honda Civic for my first car when I was 16. And I actually pulled the motor out myself on that with little to no experience. And here's a picture to prove it.
No, 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 no.
Now, reason number three, parts are very, very cheap for this car. I know that kind of plays into the first reason, great starter car, but hear me out. Parts are super cheap for it, and they're readily available everywhere. There's part outs everywhere, junkyards have them, and on top of that, these Civics from like 92 to 2000 use a lot of the same parts. So it's just going to be very easy to find parts for the vehicle if anything happens, you know? So you're not going to get left stranded if you need an emergency part or if the auto parts store doesn't have it. I'm telling you, you will find these parts anywhere and they're cheap. Now, reason number four, lots and lots of aftermarket support for this vehicle. Lots. Check it out. Just simply look up Honda Civic parts. There's a ton. We're talking headlights, coils, springs, wheels, intakes. Did I say headers? Headers, catbacks. There's everything. Turbo kits. They have everything available for this car. You cannot go wrong with it at all. Aftermarket parts, huge. Reason number five, right after aftermarket parts, now we have potential. Now, this motor is swapped. This is a GSR swap, but they do come with the. We have a dog here. Look at the look. Look. Oh my God, so cute. It's okay. Now, as I was saying before the dog interrupted us, they do come with the D16 Z6 or a D15 B7. Those motors can actually handle quite a bit of power. A D16 with the turbo kit usually can push around 200. A D15 probably closer to about 150, 180, but we're talking wheels. So you can just slap a turbo kit on these cars and they will take a beating. This GSR here can probably handle anywhere around 250, but it could take a beating. It's not going to give up quick. So the reliability, along with simply just the potential of the motors, they can handle a lot and they love to rev. Now I know you're thinking that's not a lot of power, and I understand it's not a whole lot of power, but you put that much power, 200 horsepower, behind one of these things, it's gonna feel like a Lamborghini. I swear to God. Now, reason number six, they are very, very compatible. I know we already mentioned that, but what I mean is this motor is not from a Honda Civic. It's from an Integra. Now, if you do not want the stock D series, you can grab an Integra motor. You can grab a RSX motor. Any motor fits here. I mean, you got the B series, H series, F series, J series, K series. All of those can fit in here, which is amazing. I mean, again, very, very compatible. You can make all kinds of different power with the different motor swaps that you can put in here. And again, it's not very expensive to do. For a B swap, you got your motor and then your mounts, and you're pretty much ready to go. You can do like a B20, B18 swap for 800 bucks. That's with the motor. It's really not that bad. And it's a great amount of power for a cheap price. Now, for reason number seven, just look at it. They just look great. You simply just cannot beat the look of these Civics. I mean, look at that. Super, super clean, and it doesn't take much. You got the wheels, you've got your steering wheel, the interior looks great. It's just a great looking car, and all of them look great. Sedan, coupe, hatch. What do you guys think? I mean, do you guys think it looks great? Leave a comment below. I think it looks amazing. Now, for reason number eight, we've talked about mods, we've talked about everything else. Miles per gallon. Even this motor here, just making some decent power for being all motor and what it is. It still gets about 24 mpg, which is great. Now, that's a little bit lower on the Honda side, but it's still great gas mileage. I drive a truck that gives me about 8 to 10 miles per gallon, and that sucks. Now, if you go for like a stock Honda Civic, those things can get anywhere from 32 to 44 miles per gallon. That is insane. It'll save you so much money at the end of the month. So much money. MPG is amazing. Now we've got reason number 9. This thing just drives great, handles great, feels great. Now, instead of me trying to tell you all about it, how about we just go for a drive? So here we are, reason number 9. This thing just drives nice. Now, I'm not passing the speed limit. I'm driving no faster than the speed limit, just so you guys are aware. Nothing illegal going on here. It feels real good. It's super responsive. My speedometer doesn't work, but I'm going about 30 miles an hour. If you keep an eye on that tachometer there, you can hear VTEC crack at about 45. I mean, yeah, guys, this thing just handles amazing. And, you know, it gets up to speed real nice, too. Here we go. Woo! Oh, yeah. That is nice. I think I got to move on to the next reason, man, because if not, I'm going to just sit behind the wheel of this car forever, just enjoying it. All right, let's move on to the next reason. Reason number 10. You're just simply going to love the car. It's cheap, parts are affordable, it drives great. So if you're looking for something to get into, this is definitely the car for you. Now go ahead if you have any questions, comments, leave it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much. Check out my channel, subscribe. This is kind of a different video than what I usually do. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments and like, please.